The open door policy in the Republic of Tajikistan, which is implemented by the founder of peace and national unity, the leader of the nation, the president of the Republic of Tajikistan, His Excellency Emomali Rahmon, has provided Tajikistan with opportunities to have pure and friendship relations with a range of regional countries in the world. Today, being regionally located close, the relations of Tajikistan with the countries of the region, especially with the Republic of Uzbekistan, are being amended. The relations of these two countries are going to get a better form, which can be launched by the purposeful supports and efforts of supreme authorities of Tajikistan and Uzbekistan. Therefore, 2017 can be considered as a year of the development of steady cooperations and widening of bilateral and multilateral relations between the Republic of Tajikistan and the Republic of Uzbekistan. Taking into consideration fast changeable conditions of the modern world and appearances of political and security events in territories of most countries of the region and the world, countries of Central Asia, as it was mentioned above, they are located close, should step forward in the field of bilateral relations, because regional unity and cooperation between countries of Central Asia itself is a guarantee of steady development, safe security, and peace in region. In Tajikistan, the process of cooperative development is paid specific attention. The proof for these sayings in last month of 2017 year is the direct support and participation of the founder of peace and national unity, the President of the Republic of Tajikistan, His Excellency Emomali Rahmon, in two ceremonies in regional level which took part in the capital of the country. This is regarded as the proof of efforts of Tajikistan on widening cooperations for the benefit of region. Uzbekistan is one of the region's countries with whom Tajikistan is stepping forward to develop bilateral relations. The residents of both countries, the Republic of Tajikistan and the Republic of Uzbekistan, accepted the opening of a new Dushanbe-Tashkent-Dushanbe airline with the arms wide open and thanks the supreme heads of the country for their perspective, which will set a sustainable infrastructure for the development of both countries. Indeed, the opening of airline between the Republic of Tajikistan and the Republic of Uzbekistan is going to be considered one of those historical perspectives in growing bilateral cooperations and relations for both countries. It should be noted that with the letting started the flights via Dushanbe-Tashkent and Tashkent-Dushanbe airline, beneficial cooperations between countries will broaden in different fields, and this factor will cause development and evolvements. It is intended that in a close future, the passengers will have air travels between international airports of Dushanbe and airports in other cities of this friend and close to us country. A national air company, Uzbekistan Hava Yolları, will accomplish flights to the Republic of Tajikistan. In cooperation period of these two friend countries in fields of economy, trade and culture, in 2017 with the efforts of the government of the Republic of Tajikistan and the government of the Republic of Uzbekistan, the exhibition of products of the Republic of Uzbekistan and culture days of this country was held in the Republic of Tajikistan, and the exhibition of products of the Republic of Tajikistan and culture days of our country was held in the Republic of Uzbekistan.